Hey guys, I'm just going to show you an application what you can get free on the App Store. It's called Memory Clean. Basically, it cleans all your memory, like the RAM on your Mac, a simple way without damaging anything. It's called Memory Clean. You download it from the App Store, then you'll have an application like this. Just click on it again. Then it'll show you all these different details, what's going on with your RAM. As you can see, mine's like nearly all red, which means bad, so we're going to have to click on clean memory. Then it'll clean that and just load up really quick actually. Wait till that does that. Doesn't take that long. And then you see it's gone down a bit. Then if you want more memory, you just have to keep on clicking on it. I think it takes more time the longer you do it, but it's worth it because it runs way faster after. Basically, that's it. I hope you learned something new there. Like and subscribe, and comment your opinions down below and what else tutorials you want me to make. Peace.